Asus has revealed that it has started rolling out a new software update for its ZenFone Max Pro M2 smartphone, which brings a number of new features as well as the January security patch. According to the company, the update is now available over the air (OTA) and will reach the ZenFone Max Pro M2 owners over the next few days. The smartphone was introduced in India last month and has since received at least one software update, which was released earlier this month. Notably though, Asus had promised an Android 9.0 Pie update for the smartphone in January, and with the month almost over, it's uncertain when the company will roll it out. Announcing the update in a tweet, Asus stated that the ZenFone Max Pro M2 update brings optimized battery performance, improved camera functionality, and more. The update also adds advanced AI scene detection that is capable of identifying the subject in your frame and automatically adjusting camera parameters for make sure that you get the best shot. The AI scene detection can recognize 13 different types of scenes. Additionally, you will get Google's January security patch with the latest security fixes. Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2 owners will automatically get a notification once the latest update is available for them. However, if you don't want to wait for a notification, you can try looking for it by going to Settings System Software Updates. To remind you, Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2 was originally launched in the country in December 2018. The phone currently runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. It features a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2280 pixels with 19:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC coupled with up to 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In addition, there is a dual camera setup on the back of the phone with a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary depth sensor. Earlier this month, Asus had released a software update for the ZenFone Max Pro M2, which included optimizations for the text translation, enhanced noise reduction on FM radio, and upgraded touchscreen firmware. To recall, at its launch event in December, Asus had promised the Android 9.0 Pie update for the ZenFone Max Pro M2 in January. That month is almost come to pass, making us wonder when exactly the company will release the update. Is Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2 the ultimate Redmi Note 6 Pro killer? We discussed this on Orbital, our weekly technology podcast, which you can subscribe to via Apple Podcasts or RSS, download the episode, or just hit the play button below.